Wait a minute, sugar. You see, we've been together for quite some time now, and we used to share all of our dreams and future plans together. And all of a sudden, it seems like you switched gears and I didn't get the memo. Now I'm all for living your dreams and pursuing all that you hope to do. But it just seems that you're leaving me behind, and I can't help but feel a little insecure behind that. Now I want you to know that I support you. I'ma hold you down now. I'll be here for you. 'Cause no matter what, I can't let you go.
Never letting go, never let you go, 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 never you leave me, never me leave you, never you leave me, never me leave you, never you leave me, never me leave you, never you leave me, never me leave you. Hey, hey,
Wait, does it sound like stalking? No. I said you wanna be here, say you wanna be here, always gonna be here near you. Time and circumstances, changing life's direction, got a new agenda, do you? You say you wanna fly, don't ever say goodbye, say you wanna spread your wings, take in some new sights, you're reaching out for more, see what life's got in store, and go, but don't forget, I ain't letting you go, never letting go, never walk away, always by your side, whether day or night, never letting go, never walk away, always by your side, whether day or night, never let you go, never let you go, never let you go. I know it kind of sounds like stalking, right? But that's not what I'm trying to say to you. It's just that we built this thing together, and there's just no way I'm willing to throw it away, just because you want to try something new. I don't know. Maybe I'll try and